Acne? Try this simple overnight solution. Say goodbye to acne with just 2 ingredients. Let's make an effective overnight acne face pack using Disprine and rose water. Crush 2 Disprine tablets into a fine powder. Add 1 tablespoon of rose water. Mix into a smooth paste. Disprine contains salicylic acid, which dries out pimples, unclogs pores, and fights bacteria. Rose water calms redness, hydrates, and balances oil. Apply a thin layer to acne-prone areas or your full face. Leave it overnight. It works while you sleep, reducing pimples and calming skin. Wash your face in the morning with plain water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Overnight glow, acne gone. Try it and see the difference.